Hey people, 20 from Ceasar Graphics. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the pen tool to crop any subject from its background. So I'm going to drag and drop my image here and I'm going to zoom in. Okay. And I'm going to select my pen tool here and I'll make my first click here. Now, the way this tool works is this. If I want to achieve this curve shape, now I'm going to position my mouse where I don't have the curve part on the subject. So I'm going to click here and drag like so. And I'm going to hold on Alt and break the handle because this side of my subject is not curved. So I'm going to hold on Alt and click, and I'll click here like so. If you notice, the curve on this side is different from the curve on this side. So I'm going to click in between where the different curve occur, which is this side. So I'm going to click here and drag like so. And I'll use my space bar to move my mouse down, and I'm gonna stop here. Now I'm going to hold on Alt again and break the handles, because if I don't do that, if I try to continue from here, notice what's going to happen to my part. Now you see I have this wrong path direction, so I'm going to hit Control Z or Command Z for Mac user to go back, and I'm going to hold on Alt and click to break the handle, and I'm going to click here and drag like so. And I'm going to hold on Alt again and break the handle, and I'm come here, do the same thing, break the handle, come here, hold on Alt again to break the handle, come here, come here, so. So I'm going to come here, do this, do the same thing here. So I'm going to curve here like so, and I'll do the same thing here, do the same thing here, come here, and there are times when you try this, it may not look the way you want it. So it's always good to, click in between the curve, like the way I have it here now. So if you want to move your mouse with your pen tool around, you can hold down space, and then you have the ability to move your mouse with your pen tool. And I'll position this down a bit. So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'll hold on Alt, click, and I'm gonna close this here like so. We have the part around our subject, so I'm going to right click and select make selection to convert the part to a marquee. Now the advantage of you applying feather is so as to make the edges of your subject soft. All right, so I'm going to do let's say 0.5 should be okay. Now the radius of your feather matters a lot. All right, so if you have a large image, you can use higher radius, but if you have small image size like the project I'm working on here now, I'm not going to do anything more than, let's say, 0.5 or 1 point. So I'm going to select the OK button. So most time when you notice that your radius is not looking the way you want it, you can always hit Ctrl Z to go back, or Command Z for Mac users to bring out the part, and then make the same move again by right clicking on the subject and select make selection, and then change the radius to your desired size. So for me, I'm going to stick with this 0.5, and I'm going to select the OK button. Then I'll zoom out, and now I'm going to hit Command J or Control J on my keyboard to cut the subject out from its background. Now if you look at my layer panel now, I have two copies of the subject. I have my layer 1 and I have my background layer. So I'm going to hide the background layer now for you to see what I just did. So, and this is how to crop your subject from its background using the pen tool. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial, and if you have not subscribed, remember to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the post notification bell so you get notified when I post my tutorials. Share, like, and comment on this video. I'll see you again in my next tutorial. Peace.